A series of photographs taken at Fort Belvoir, Virginia in the late 50s, a large U.S. military installation. A bunch of young soldiers were out training one afternoon. One of them had a camera, and they're sitting taking a break, and they look up in the sky and they see this. And they said, "Holy conniption, what's that?" And they continued to watch, and they continued to take pictures, and this strange circular object in the sky proceeded to change right in front of their eyes. You can still see the rim, but they continued to snap pictures and they continued to look, and their mouths were hanging open by this time. And this thing continued to turn itself into a cloud, and after it had done so, it flew away at a high rate of speed. The point I make is simple. The next time you're cloud watching and you see lenticular clouds, you may be indeed looking at a lenticular cloud. But then again, you may not be looking at a lenticular cloud. Look carefully, pay attention.